Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Coach Carver here. Today we're going to be going through how to use a watch list on TradingView. Here we have our chart pulled up. We're at TradingView.com, and if you look in our upper right hand corner, we have a little box here with a few lines. Click on this. This is going to give us access to our watch list. So instead of having to come through here and type in a currency pair and changing it, all the time, what we have the ability to do is come over here and we can actually create a watch list and we can add those to it. So as you come in here, we'll be able to come in. You have the drop down. Go ahead and click on this, create a new watch list. We can say Coach Carver example. Right? So now we have a watch list. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go through and we're going to want to add some currency pairs. Let's say we want to add in the DXY. You come here, go ahead and select it. It's going to automatically add it. Maybe we want to add in, let's just say Euro USD. Go ahead and add this here. Or maybe you're just like, hey, let me take a look at some of the ones. You can click on Forex. It's going to give you some of the main pairs. It's going to give you the breakdown here. There you go. You'll be able to say, oh, let me add in GBP USD. You can add that. Come in here. Oh, might as well add in UJ, GJ. These are pairs I commonly trade. GU. You have the ability to come in and you can add these, right? Now what you do is you come here and you can color coordinate these however you would like. So you can say, all right, DXY, I'm gonna add it as blue. Euro USD is one of my most commonly traded pairs. Let me add it as whichever, right? You can come here and you can say, make it like a lighter blue, right? GU, you can do the same thing. Say, hey, we'll come in, grab the same color pair. What's cool is now, as you come through here, you're gonna have these different lists that are coming up, or you can just make it all the same color. So you see our example in here, you can add it in. You have the ability to change out these colors. You'll have it added to these lists. It'll add it to all these other lists as well. And we can even just say boom, and there it is. So this is gonna be our watch list, guys. You can cycle through these. You can see it's very simple. You can come in, you can see all the different pairs, see the breakdowns of them, right? All the different things going on. And what you can do is you can even come in and see a little example of what we're going to be having coming up in the next modules. How to read some candlesticks, got the breakdown of some strength. Going to be going over some pretty cool stuff with you guys. But I want to go through and show you guys real quick how to use the watch list. If you want to close it and make it full screen, again, just click here at top right hand corner. It's going to close it. Easy access, come in, switch over to the next pair. Have all this stuff here for you guys. Hopefully you got some value from this. And what we're going to do is, in this next video, I'm going to show you how to use alerts, and then what we're going to do is we're going to jump in how to read candlesticks. Appreciate your time, guys. Feel free to like, subscribe, make sure you turn on notifications. It's going to be dropping a lot of value for you guys.